What's up there, YouTube? I'm Brian. Welcome back to my kitchen. In this kitchen, we like to whip up a bunch of recipes, have a ton of fun. Hopefully we learn something new from doing it. I am joined today by my little one, Violet! This is Violet, and we are going to be making our family's favorite smoothie, the one that we do mostly on a daily basis, and she can't have dairy, so we're going to have a dairy-free, vegan, kid-friendly, I should mention. Oh, watch out for that stuff. We're going to have a kid-friendly smoothie today, one that I think that all of your kids are going to enjoy. It's sweet, it's delicious, and it doesn't look terrible. Coming right up. Let's start off this this smoothie here. So, okay, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna try not to sneeze on any of the other products. And what we're gonna do is start off with our soft ingredients right here, which is our spinach. This is pre-washed spinach. Okay, we're gonna throw in a handful. Spinach. So a quick tip with this machine, always start off with the soft ingredients first, put the hard ingredients in last.
Yeah.
What she said. Let's throw in the hard ingredients now. So we got our spinach in. And we're gonna throw in a bunch of frozen fruit. Okay, you can have a strawberry actually, you know what, why not? Let's just give you a strawberry. That'll keep you quiet. Throw in a bunch of frozen fruit. I'd say that's probably about a cup or so worth of frozen fruit. This is almond milk, vanilla almond milk.
Yeah.
This is probably about, I'd say I probably threw in about a cup and a half worth of almond milk. I just finished it off. And then last but not least, if you feel like sweetening it up a little bit, you can use a little bit of honey here. If you don't want to use honey, you don't have to use honey. That's the beauty of a Vitamix, is you don't have to put anything you don't want to have to put in there.
Yummy. And that's yummy, delicious.
Yeah,
honey.
look at that. You want to lick off the rest of the honey?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, of course you do.
Oh, so good.
Yes, it is.
Oh, yeah, man.
Okay, so put on our lid. So we're going to start off on low speed. We're going to turn it on, increase it up to number 10, and then up to high speed. High speed, like that, okay? So start on low. Okay, no, don't flip it up yet.
Okay.
Start on low. Now we're going to turn it on. Just a minute.
This.
Turn it on, yep. Increase up to 10. Turn the knob the other way. Keep going all the way. Keep going all the way. All the way. There we go. Then up to high. Okay, so now that that's done, just take it off. Now, when it comes to kids, I know kids can be very fussy about the way things look, but when it's green like this, you can just say it's the Incredible Hulk smoothie, or it's the Ninja Turtle smoothie, right? You like the Ninja Turtle ones, right? If it's brown looking, then put more blueberries in it and it'll make it turn a little more purple, so that should help. Let's put it in a glass and see how much Violet enjoys it, okay? Shall we? Want to give it a shot? Let's pour this in like so. Ooh, yeah, it's thick, but it's smooth. That's the idea. That's why they call them smoothies. If yours isn't smooth, then that's called a chunky. Not much sense in making those, right? Yeah, you can put that there. Okay, so this is the taste test. Taste it and let me know what you think.
Amazing!
Well, you don't have to embellish it. You can just tell the truth. Would you make that again? Yeah.
I'll make that all the time.
Well, we do make it all the time. That's probably why you like it, right? How long have you been drinking these smoothies for?
A million years.
Well,
Yeah.
since you were a baby, right? Yeah, that's right. And whenever you used to hear the Vitamix go off, you used to get so excited about everything. It was so awesome. And you still get excited to this day, don't you? Well, that's awesome. So there you have it. That's our family's everyday kind of smoothie. It's kid friendly. Kids love it, as you can clearly see, and I hope that you guys learned something new here today. If you're new and you learned something, leave a comment down below. If you want to see more videos like this and you liked what you saw, make sure you smash the like button, hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss anything, and don't forget to subscribe to Brian's Kitchen. Have a great day.
Strawberries for short.
Yep.